Alright, this is a mic check. Checking the mic to see what it sounds like if it's really far away. Does this look cool? Alright, let's check this out. What's this look like? I feel like it should be higher. Is this what we want? Week 3? I don't know what the fuck that's gonna be. Alright, I am out doing a random 4x4 trail. Thought I would do my weekly summary out here. So this week started on Saturday, June 13th in Provo, Utah. We took a short trip out to the Bonneville Salt Flats, which is about 2.5 hours west of there. Our Airbnb for this week was in St. George, and we headed out on Sunday. I got there a couple hours early, and so I decided to go spend the evening in Zion National Park, which is about an hour east of where we're staying. Spent a few evenings out in Snow Canyon State Park, which was recommended to us for climbing. We spent a couple nights out there climbing, doing some nice night climbs, or evening climbs into the night. Quail Creek Reservoir is about 15 minutes east of us, and it's a pretty cool place where you can just go and park and hang out at this, basically a lake. After hanging out at Quail Creek, we went to Babylon Arch, which is in Red Cliffs National Conservation Area. Babylon Arch is about a 3-mile hike out to the Virgin River, and you get to pass by this arch, which is pretty awesome. We hiked out there around sunset and stayed out to watch the stars and take photos and kind of just sit by the water. We got dinner at the Spotted Dog outside of Zion just before going to do the Lower Pine Creek Falls hike, which is maybe a mile or two. And we went out just after sunset and it was beautiful, and we saw a lot of cool bugs and frogs and stuff. We ended up staying out at the waterfall probably till like 11 and just kind of looked at the stars and hung out listening to the water. Oh, it's so ugly. It's got pinchers on it. That's a good frog shot right there. This weekend we're doing the Narrows in Zion and then going to do a hike out in Bryce National Park. I'm really excited about this weekend. I was wondering if I should include it in this video, but at some point I'm going to switch the weekend so that it starts on Monday and includes the weekend, and I can edit them on Sunday. But thank you so much for watching. I'm learning a lot making these videos, and I'm excited to keep making them and keep exploring and keep doing these hikes and climbs, so thanks.